Hello, good morning, one and everyone. In the third chapter, that is linear regression analysis, up to last chapter we have seen the method in which numerical examples in which x bar and y bar are completely integer. Then values of x and y are comparatively small. Then the application of u and v. Now in this lecture, this method, we are going to see how to make use of coefficient of correlation as well as standard deviation of x and standard deviation of this is y. In our textbook, page number 133, in which example number 10, given that price and supply, price denoted by x variable, supply is denoted by y variable, price in rupees and supply in number of the units. Two measurements are given to us. Average value, that is mean, and variance, means variance. 30 and 500 are the respectively the averages, variance is respectively 25 and 10,000. Moreover, coefficient of correlation, that is R or RXY, is given to be 0.8. In this example, we have to estimate the supply. Estimate most likely supply when price is rupees 40, that is x is rupees 40. Estimate y for x is rupees 40. This is very simple method, the simplest method in this chapter. Generally asked in section C or section D, that is for 2 marks or 3 marks. This is given information. What is given to us? See, given that average value means x for x bar, y bar. X bar is 3030, y bar is 500. Variance means Sx square 25, Sy square 10,000. And the standard deviation is nothing but the root of variance. That is Sx. Standard deviation is given by Sx, root of this value, that is 5, square root of this value 10,000 means 100. Therefore Sx is 5 and Sy is 100. And moreover, the coefficient of correlation, that is Rxy or R equal to 0.8. For constructing the regression line of y on x, we see regression line of y on x is given by y cap equal to a plus bx, in which a and b are constant. How to determine these constants a and b? First of all, we calculate b and then a. Right? B means vyx. If this is the regression line of y on x, this is the regression coefficient of y on x. Vyx is given by r into Sy upon Sx. In numerator Sy, in the denominator Sx. Right? R is given to be 0.8, Sy 500, Sx 5. More simplification will give you answer as 8 upon 10, 100 upon 5, 0 cut, 5 to 10 and 8 to 16. Answer of B is means Vyx or B is given by 16, and hence A, y bar minus B times x bar. Substitute the value of x bar, y bar and B. X bar is 3030, y bar is 500 and B is 16. We have obtained, right? Therefore 16 into 30, it will be 480. 500 minus 480, answer will be 20. Therefore A is 20 and B is 16. Now the standard form of the equation regression line of y on x is given by y cap a plus bx. A means 20, b means 16, x. Now substitute x means price is rupees 40. Therefore price is given to be, this is given to us, means this 40 already given. Right? Substitute x equal to 4040, 16 into 40, 640, 20 plus 640. Ultimately the answer will be y cap equal to 660 units. Therefore we can write, hence the estimated supply y is means y cap is 660 units for price x is rupees 40. See, this is very simple method in which we calculate. Generally, such type of example are more overly asked in section C or section D, that is for 2 marks or for 3 marks. in our textbook, in our PDF, in the illustration example, from practice book, from the paper set, from our assignment, whatever may be you obtain, right? Minimum 10 number of the example must be practiced by you this time, and hence sufficient practice, exhaustive practice. If you complete, then good marks can be achieved in statistics, mathematics, statistics, and accountancy. These three practical subjects require more and more practice. In the next lecture, we are going to see the short example for 2 marks, how asked and how to solve. So thank you everybody. Thank you very much. Nice to meet you.